Hi friends, welcome back to the SKCAD solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and support me. You are watching my video but you are not subscribing my channel. Please do subscribe my channel and support me. Select extruded boss, select front plane. You can see the dimensions. Base length is 100 mm, width is 50, thickness is 18 plus 6 mm. Select line. Give the dimensions. And 100 mm. Height is 18 plus 6, 24. This is 8 mm. Select circle. Diameter 42 and 22 from the base 40 mm. Diameter 22, 42. This is 22. Select the midpoint. Select origin point. Give vertical constraint. Select line. Select trim entities. Trim the unwanted lines. Sketch is fully defined. Finish sketch. Here select mid plane. Thickness we want 50 mm. Give the dimension 50 mm. Next you can see there is one rib that is 12 mm thickness, 45 degree. For that select mid plane, sketch, select line, give the dimension 45 degree. Sketch is fully defined. Finish sketch. Select extruded boss. Select here mid plane. Thickness is 12 mm. Friends, I am once again requesting to all, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Next you can see there is a one hole that is diameter 16. Dimension is 25 from the side. Select surface, sketch, hole, select circle, create one 16 dia circle, give the dimensions. Select midpoint and select origin point, give horizontal constraint. Sketch is fully defined. Finish sketch. Select here extruded cut. So here we can select through hole. Okay. Next, in the 3 edges there is R3 fillet. Select fillet, give the dimension 3 mm, select the edges. I hope all the features are added. Assign the material here. Select brass. Or go with aluminum. Polished aluminum. Or we can change the edit appearances colors here. Like this we can give the color. Save the part. That's it friend, today's session. If you like this session, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this video friends. If you have any doubts, please comment me. Definitely I will revert back you. Thank you.